Hello guys, I'm Avinash. Today I have brought you two internship updates. One is from Nokia and another from National Instrument. This is my first video regarding internship and job updates. I will post regularly, so please do subscribe our channel for more updates. So Nokia is offering an internship for students. The internship location is in Bangalore. Eligibility is that you must be in MBA, BBM, BTech or MTech or MCA student and your 10% should be above 65. Must be available for 5 working days. You should know these languages like C, C++, Java, Python, AML knowledge. So you can apply. I will provide the link in the description. So another internship update is from National Instrument NI for software engineering intern. The internship location is in Bangalore. Eligibility is same almost. You must be in B.Tech, ME, MTech, MCA in computer science. I will provide both the link in the description. You can apply directly, and if you have any query, you can comment down. We have our LinkedIn page where I post regularly related to internships and job updates. You can directly apply from these links. Okay, so please do follow our LinkedIn page. I will provide in the link in the description. Okay, thank you.